Hey everyone, welcome back to SkillsTuber. I'm here to break it all down for you when it comes to YouTube automation. And yep, you're getting it for free. If you've been thinking about taking your YouTube channel to the next level and you're ready to dive in today, you've come to the right place. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to kickstart your own YouTube automation channel in just 4 minutes. You've probably seen those channels raking in millions of views, and the best part? They never even show their face. That's right. Faceless YouTube channels. No awkward moments in front of the camera, just killer content. Picture this. You could be the next big thing, all while chilling at home. But let's be honest, starting a YouTube channel isn't always a walk in the park. You'll face burnout, pick the wrong tools, lose motivation, and struggle with consistency. These are all major obstacles, but don't stress, I've got your back. First things first, pick your niche carefully. Avoid the overcrowded spaces like vlogging, makeup tutorials, or gaming. Sure, if that's what you're passionate about, you can still make it work. But it's kind of like finding a parking spot at a packed concert. You might find one, but it's going to take time. Next, let's talk tools. You don't need to break the bank on expensive editing software. Forget about Premiere Pro, just use CapCut. It's free and does the job perfectly. For thumbnails, forget Photoshop and go with Canva. It's got everything you need, and best of all, it's free. For your scripts, let ChatGPT handle the writing. And for voiceovers, 11 Labs is your go-to, with a free plan to get started. I use it for many of my automation channels, and it's been a total game changer. If you're ready to start for free, I've got the link down below. Now here's the key. YouTube cares about audience retention. Your goal is a high click-through rate, solid watch time, and strong session time. In simple terms, you need to keep your viewers hooked. Consistency is a must, but remember, Rome wasn't built in a day, and neither will your YouTube channel be. Let's break down some important terms. CPM is the cost per 1,000 views that advertisers pay. RPM is your revenue per 1,000 views. And then there's CTR, or click-through rate, which shows how many people click on your video after seeing the thumbnail. A good CTR is around 10%. That's your target. If it's dipping below 7%, you might want to consider adjusting your thumbnail or title. Want to learn how to make eye-catching thumbnails? I've already got a video on that. Just click the link and start designing like a pro. Need content ideas? There are tons of free resources like Pixabay and Pexels, filled with high-quality clips at zero cost. Next, check out your competition. Find the big channels in your niche and analyze their best-performing videos. It's like taking a peek under the hood to see what makes a channel successful. To wrap it up, YouTube automation can truly be a game changer, but it takes patience and a smart strategy. Start small, use free tools, create quality content, and stay consistent. With these tips, you'll be cruising toward success in no time. And that's a wrap, folks. That's my quick start guide to launching a YouTube automation channel in under 4 minutes. Thanks for tuning in to SkillsTuber. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that thumbs up if this helped you out. Catch you in the next video, where I'll break down exactly how to work the algorithm and boost those views. And as I mentioned earlier, if you want to create thumbnails on Canva for free, make sure to watch the video I've linked and get started today.